going to start to see what is the torque on a magnetic dipole. So suppose there is a magnetic field. This is a field B, and on this field I have kept a bar magnet. So this is the bar magnet. This is north pole, this is south pole, and the length between these two is 2L, right? And this is in the angle theta, right? So there is a bar magnet which is kept at an angle theta in a uniform magnetic field B. When this particular magnet is kept, suppose the magnetic pole for this is QM, then what happens is they would feel a force, or they would feel a rotatory force or torque. So there will be a magnetic force, or I can say that there is a magnetic force or torque. Here I can say that these two torque will make a couple. So now if I have to calculate the torque of this magnetic dipole, then I can write torque is nothing but the force that this poles are feeling into the perpendicular distance of these two forces. So perpendicular, this force is acting this side, this force is acting this side. The perpendicular distance between this force is this. And this distance is, if this is N and this is S, this is NS. So therefore this will be NS sine theta. So this distance is NS sine theta. So F into NS sine theta would be the torque. Now what is F? What force does it feel? The force is nothing but, as we already know, QM into the magnetic field B. So this poles will feel this force, the pole strength into field. So I can write it as QM into B into NS sine theta. So NS distance is the pole distance, which is nothing but 2L sine theta, right? Now if you see this QM into 2L into B sine theta, this QM into 2L, that is the pole strength into the distance, is nothing but magnetic moment of a dipole. So I can write it as M into B sine theta. So the torque is nothing but magnetic moment into B into the sign between these two vector quantity, that is magnetic moment and P. Therefore we can, as from our vector knowledge, we can write it as M cross B, right? So the torque is given as magnetic moment cross B. So this is the torque due to dipole magnet in a uniform magnetic field.
If you like the video, then press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.